Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a lavender sugar scrub. So first of all, welcome, and this is a skincare channel. You can get all your latest skincare tips, tricks and everything. So let us get right into the video. So first of all, you're going to need half cup of the white sugar. White sugar, you can use any one of your favorite essentials to add to that. All right, so then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of dry lavender flowers. You know that lavender have a nice smell and everybody loves lavender. So the next step is to get Next, you're going to get half cup of coconut oil, and then you're going to add every one of the ingredients with your lavender essential oils, and you can mix that together and ensure that it doesn't have a liquidy consistency, because you're going to want to have that to exfoliate your skin and make your skin glow, right. So guys, please like, share and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Love you all.